Hey guys, welcome back to the control room. This is Master. In this quick video, I want to show you how to flip a video. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. So right here on the project pane, I have a video. So I just want to click and drag it to the timeline. And no, I want to keep existing settings. So let me just highlight it and maybe reduce the scale. Yeah, somewhere there, and I can also change the position here. Let me just click and drag it. Right. Okay, let me just put it right here. Or maybe just I can just enlarge the scale a bit. All right, so pretty much with this clip of this lady, switching off the lights. Okay, let's just play back. Okay, so we want to flip this video. So to do that, let's just make sure that we've highlighted the clip, and we want to come under effects and just search for flip. All right, so when you come under video effects, under transform, there's horizontal and vertical flip. Let me just click this horizontal flip and drag it to the clip right here. As you can see, the video has flipped horizontally. Now, just to create an interesting effect, let's see if we can just click here and click Alt and duplicate this. Maybe we just go to the first clip here. We don't want to flip, so we just click the delete and take the bottom clip and just drag it. Change its position to there. So we get an interesting effect. Just play that back. And that's it. That's how you flip a video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video. You're giving me window.